Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook smoked turkey necks. These flavorful cuts are a fantastic way to add depth and richness to your meals, especially in hearty, slow-cooked dishes. We'll go over everything from preparing the necks to simmering them until they are incredibly tender. You'll learn how to transform these humble ingredients into a delicious and versatile component for your favorite recipes, enhancing their savory profile with ease. First, let's prepare our smoked turkey necks. Start by giving them a thorough rinse under cool, running water to clean them properly. After rinsing, pat them completely dry with paper towels. This helps the seasonings adhere better. Now, it's time to season generously. Use about 2 tablespoons of your preferred spice blend, perhaps a mix of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a pinch of black pepper, ensuring every piece is well coated for maximum flavor. Now for the cooking process. Place your seasoned turkey necks into a large, heavy-bottomed pot or a Dutch oven. Pour in enough chicken broth or water to almost completely submerge the necks, leaving about 1 inch uncovered. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let them cook for at least 2 to 3 hours. They are ready when the meat is fork tender and easily falls off the bone. Once your smoked turkey necks are perfectly tender, carefully remove them from the pot and allow them to cool for a few minutes. The succulent meat can then be easily shredded from the bones and incorporated into a variety of dishes, like collard greens, hearty beans, or flavorful rice. Don't discard that rich cooking liquid either. It's packed with flavor and makes an excellent base for gravies, soups, or even as a flavorful stock for other recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.